We're going to unbox the Arrow Gold. This is an Arrow Gold Plus. The Arrow Gold Plus has all of the features of the Arrow Gold Standard, but it has some additional features which some people find value in the extra features. We'll talk about that in another video. So let's unbox. It comes in a hard shell carry case. This is the Arrow Gold. It looks exactly the same as the Arrow 100, except it says Arrow Gold and it's a different color. And we have a bracket here for mounting to this bracket, which goes on the pole. So this will screw onto the pole and that clips in, and you'll be able to see that on the video on mounting on a pole. We also get the L1, L2, L5 antenna, and it has the standard, what we call a survey thread, which is a 5/8 Whitworth thread. And these two mount at the top of the pole. They connect through these two connectors, and very lightweight, very, very easy to use. We have a battery charger, plugs in the side of the battery. We have the USB cable, not often used, but it's in the box. And we have the warranty card. That is the Arrow Gold Plus.